So now let's see how we can model a simple cartoon car inside of Blender. So to do that, I'm going to first of all go around onto the side view, and over here on my desktop, I have a reference image that I can use. I'm just going to click and drag it over here. So this is what I have. I can scale this out over here to the size I want, and this is what I have. As you can see, I'm just going to go around and move this out right here. So let me just move this and keep it right over here, just like this. So this is in the front view, as you can see. Let me just go around right here, rotate around, and you can see that this is in the 3D view. Let me just push this back a bit right here. So let's start tracing this car out and model this car out right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the X view right here, and then I'm going to press Shift A on my keyboard and bring in a plane. This is over here, as you can see. I'm just going to go around and rotate out the plane right here. So I'm just going to rotate this around to exactly 90 degrees, and this is what I have. So this is the car, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and trace it out. So I'm going to start off from this side right here. Let me just go around and hit Tab on my keyboard, and I'm going to select out the vertices right here. So I'm on my vertices mode, and now what I simply need to do is trace it out. So this is a work of patience. So you need to go around and work around patiently right here. So there you go. You can see that I'm pulling this out. Let me just push this out right here, and there you go. This is the car right here. So over here, I need some detailing to do. So I'm going to go around right here, and then I'm going to slice this off. So you can see loop cut is option. So I'm just going to add in a loop cut right here. So there you go. There's the loop cut, and there you go. You can see that there's the a loop. So I'm just going to go around onto the selection mode over here, and there you go. Now I can pull this off. So I'm going to select both of these and pull this off right here. Let me just push this down. And I'm just going to maintain a bit of curve over here as well. Let me just push this out over here as well, just like this. And there you go. This is what I have. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this off over here as well. So let me just push this down right here, and then pull this out over here, just like this. And this is what I have. So I'm going to go around right here onto the S, select this, and then I'm going to go around and pull this, press E, and drag this out over here, and then press E, drag this out over here as well. So this is what I have. So I got a bit of a detail right here, and then I'm going to press E over here again to pull it off until the center right here. So I'm going to go around right here onto this as well, and maybe I want to pull a bit of detail. So I'm just going to go around and then pull this off as well. Select both of these and then press E to pull this out over here, just like this. So now I'm going to go around over here and then rearrange the side. So I'm going to go around right here, push this out over here, just like this, and this is what you have. Let me just select all of these and then move this out over here for detail. Let me just push this out over here, and let me just push this over here as well. So let me just go around right here. This is what I have. Let me just go around, press Ctrl Z. So I'm going to select this, press E. So all I need to do is I need to trace this thing around right here. So I'm just going to go to the X axis, gonna hold around the shift right here, zoom out, and then trace out the rest as well. So I'm going to go around right here and then select this edge right here. Let's press E to pull this off right here, just like this. And maybe I don't want to add in much detail. I'm going to press E. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here. I'm gonna go around right here and then pull this out. So let me just move this out onto the side right here and move this onto the left right here as well. I'm going to hit gonna go around and select out the S and then press E to pull this off over here as well. I'm going to select the vertex right here and then pull this off onto the side. So this is what I have. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Ctrl Z because I pulled off extra. So now I'm going to select out the S's over here on the top, press E to pull this off right here, just like this. So this is what I have, as you can see right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around, press Ctrl Z, and I'm going to go around right here, select this out, push this off right here, and push this off over here as well. So this is what I have. Maybe I want a bit of detail over here, so I'm going to go around right here onto loop cut, select this, and this is what I have. So I'm going to select this out, select out the S right here, and then pull this off right here, pull this off over here, pull this off over here, pull this off over here, and there you go, that's the detail. I need a bit of detail from this side as well, so I'm going to go around over here onto loop cut, select this and select this over here, and then this is what I have. I'm just going to add in a bit of detail over here as well. So similarly, I can pull off right here. So I'm going to go around right here onto the move tool right here, select this portion out, select this portion out right here, and select this portion out over here as well. So this is what I have. So I'm going to go around right here and then select out this S, and over here there's a bit of S that I need to bring on as well. So I'm going to just pull this off, press extrude right here, just like this, and then press extrude, and this is what I have over here. So this is what I have, and I'm going to go around right here and then select the point out right here, just like this. So this is what I have, and this is what I have over here. So there you go. So I'm just going to go around and arrange this out over here. Similarly, I'm going to go around onto the S right here, select this, press E, and this is what you have right here. So if I were to go around right here, select out the vertex, then this is what I have, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to keep on adding in more details. I'm going to go around onto loop cut right here, click on this, and then I can go around and type in 2 right here. So there's 2 loops right here, 1 loop right here, 1 loop right here. So if I were to go around and then go to move tool, then I can simply move this around. I can move this around right here, I can move this around right here, I can move this around over here as well, and then this is what I have. So I'm going to pull off something from over here as well, and over here maybe I want to work around with a bit of detail. So let me just push this down and then just push this down over here as well. So this is what I have. So I'm going to go around right here and then add in a loop cut. So I'm going to go to loop cut right here, add in 2 loop cuts because I want a bit of detail right here. I'm going to move this out over here just like this, and over here I'm just going to pull this out over here as well. So this is what I have, and I need to extrude this out. So I'm going to press E. I'm going to go around, select out this right here, and press E to pull this and grab this out right here. Press E, and there you go. So this is what I have, and now what I need to do is merge these out together. And to merge it, you select these vertices out, right click and click on merge vertices at center right here. So I'm just going to merge these out at center, merge these out over here as well, merge at center, and then merge this out at center right here. And this is what I have, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to extrude this. So you can see that I got this car right here, just like this. So what I can do is I can press tab, and then I can move this onto the side, and then I'm going to press tab right here, select out everything, select out all the face right here, and then press E to extrude it on the side right here, as you can see. So I can go around, extrude this off right here, just like this, so that I have a bit of the car part. And over here, I'm going to go around and select off let's say, for example, the edges right here. So this is what I have, as you can see right here, and I can go around and press tab. I'm going to select off the edges right here. So there you go. So this is what I have. Let me just go around, press tab right here. I'm going to go around and select off the edges. And to select it out, I'm going to loop select out the edge. And to do that, I can hold Alt on my keyboard and click, and a loop selection is done, as you can see right here. So now all I need to do is go around and then extrude this. So I'm going to press E, and this is what I have, as you can see right here. So I can go around, extrude this around if I want to. So I'm just going to go around, press E right here to extrude this around, hold Shift right here to actually go around, and then go around from the top. So let me just press Ctrl Z. On the top, I'm just going to go around, press E, so that I can expand this out right here in a particular area right here. So I'm just going to go around and then expand this halfway through right here, just like this, and then this is what I will have right here. So you can see that there's this car right here, and then I got half of the model right here, just like this. So if I were to go around right here onto the car model, this is what I have. So I can go around on and press tab on my keyboard and select out the different things right here. So I'm just going to go around right here, and then go around right here on the edge. So let me just select out the vertices right here. So let me just go around right here, select the vertices right here, move this out over here, and that's what I have, as you can see. So I can go around right here as well, select out these vertices on the top. So let me just go around right here, select out these vertices out on the top, and then these ones out right here. Select the vertices out and then move them off according to how you like it right here. You can push this off right here. You can push this off over here as well. Let me just select these out and then like just push this out a bit over here. So just gonna push this out over here, just gonna push this out over here, and this is what you have, as you can see. So this is what you have, and then what you can do is you can mirror this out as well. And to do mirroring, you can use the mirror plugin, or you can just go around and press Shift D to create a copy of this. So let me just go around, press Shift D, and I'm going to go around right here. Press X and move it on the X axis right here, as you can see. So now what I can simply do is I can go around and then resize this out. So I'm just going to go around onto the properties right here. So let me just go around right here onto the scale properties right here, and I can move this off onto the other side as well. So I can simply go around and mirror this off like this as well. So this is what I have, and then if I were to move this out, you can see that this is the car mirror right here. So I'm just going to delete off this right here, and let me just go around, keep it, and then you can see that this is the car right here, and you can keep on going around, and you can model out the tires as well, and so forth. You can also go around and press tab right here to actually turn this into a subdivision. You can shade this smooth, as you can see, and you want to increase around the details of this. You can go around, press tab, you can press A, and then what you can do is you can subdivide this out right here. So let me just increase out the smoothness right here. Maybe I'm going to increase out the subdivision by 3. You can increase and decrease the smoothness right here, and that is how it works. Increase out the smoothness right here, and you can see that you can really make this into a cartoon car right here. So that is how you can go around and keep on modeling out the rest of the parts of the car as well, and make it as detailed as possible. So you can go around, add in different things right here, and so forth. And that is how you can get started with modeling out a basic cartoon car inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.